I am going to show you a super easy way to get your videos to go viral, millions and millions of views, all using green screen. This video here took me probably 2 minutes. I got almost 1 million views, and funny enough, I had to pause it twice because I didn't want people to see this video. But I'm going to show you the easiest way. It's going to take you no longer than 2 minutes, and I guarantee if you keep doing this process, you're probably going to get millions of views as well. So let's get started right now. So what we're going to be doing is I want you to go on X or Twitter. Now, the reason why I want you to go on X is because the other platforms don't really show anything controversial. Yeah. Good thing about X now is people are allowed to have that free speech. They're allowed to post things that's actually going on in the world. Now, for you to get a video to go viral, it has to, so number one, it has to be trending. People need to be talking about it. But more importantly, number two, it has to be controversial. So I'll give you an example. Meat eaters versus vegans. Yeah. So I could do a video about what's better, eating meat or being a vegetarian. And then I know that if I do that video, people from both sides are going to be commenting, leaving comments, arguing. It's very controversial. So what we're going to be doing today is I've got my phone. We're just going to see if we can find anything controversial or something in your niche. Now, I don't know what you're doing, but this is what I want you to do. So go on X or Twitter, whatever it is, what you want to call it, and we're going to search for an image. So now what I want you to also do is follow controversial pages or profiles. So let's just go back to home. So this is my profile here. But to save time, what we'll do is I've actually saved a couple of things. So what we're going to do is, what I want you to do is go through X, go on the search for things that are trending. So if you go trending here, Colorado, Christmas, Trump. So Trump's trending right now. We could just go Trump, Percy Jackson, Red Sea. So there's a lot of things here that you can tap on that you know is trending right now, and all you need to find is something that's slightly controversial. So what we'll do to save time is I'm going to go back to my profile, go bookmarks. So this video here, very controversial. She actually threw her dog off a bridge. So I know if I did a video about that, that would go viral. This video here, so give me 1 second. It is this one here. I know that this will go viral. Yeah. So all I need to do, and we'll do it right now, is I'll save this video. Yeah. So I just need to screen record this video. So screen record. Okay, so I can't screen record, but I'll screen record in a minute. I'll record this screen and then I'll use this video to do a green screen. Now, I know this is controversial because there's people that say that these are chemtrails, and then there's other people that say that they're normal, they're from planes. So I know that people are going to debate in the comments which improves the algorithm. More likes, more comments, more people will follow me, stuff like that. Same thing that's going to happen to you. So all you need to find is something that's slightly controversial, and then just act dumb. So if I start the video off by saying, "This is crazy. What is this? Are these normal clouds? Or are these from planes? I don't know what's going on here." Like, you basically just act dumb, but you say it in a way. Because when you act dumb and you go, "What is going on? Are these from planes or are these like, what is going on here? Is this normal?" People love to tell you what's going on. They love to like train you and educate you, and no, this is what's happening. No, this is what's happening. And that's when the debating starts. So what I'm going to do is I'll record this. I can't actually record it now because I'm doing a video. So I'll pause this video, I'll record this, and then we'll jump back on. And we're back. So I've recorded that video. So all I want you to do, so number one, find something that's going it's trending. or find something that's controversial, even if it's just a little bit. So I've screen recorded that video. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go on TikTok. You're going to hit the plus. We're going to go 60 seconds. So 60 seconds. Yeah, this is me here. Now, this will be a little bit hard because I'm trying to do a video while I do a video. But I want you guys to do these videos to go viral. And again, it doesn't have to be controversial like this. But even if it's just like a little bit controversial in your niche, yeah, it could be you're a content creator, it could be that you're a business coach, entrepreneur, a gamer, it doesn't matter. But find something that has both sides. So meat eaters versus vegans, climate change versus XYZ. Yeah, so yeah, you get it. All right, so let's go to, 60 seconds. We now want to go to effects. So you tap on effects. You want to go green screen. So just type in green screen video. Yep. So green screen video. You want to tap green screen video. Yep. You then want to go back to what you recorded. So as you can see here, you can see what you've recorded. You want to tap on that. Yep. Go next. Let's see if this works. Done. All right, so it's worked. So that's how easy it is. Now all I need to do, now I don't know if this will work because my phone is connected to here. So I don't know if this will work, but what I will do is I will unhook this from my computer and I will do the video while I'm still recording. Yeah, because I want this to be super valuable for you. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off now. There we go, and we're back to me. All right. So you can see here. Now, I need to work out what I'm going to say. So I need to go, what is going on here? This is this is crazy. And the more animation that, so like if I just say, this is crazy, what is this? No one's going to care. Whereas if I like really act, oh my God, this is crazy. What is going on? What is this? This is like, people love drama. People love drama. So you need to give it to them. Yeah, you almost need to become an actor. Okay, so all right, this actually looks really good. I don't have actually I do, but all right, ready? So I'm going to set the timer. I don't even know what I'm going to say. I'm just going to make it up. Ready? What is going on here? Are these what I think they are? Or is this actually from a plane? This seriously can't be real. What is it? All right, so that didn't record without sound because there was a song playing. So I'm just gonna do a test run. Ah, because there's sound on the video. Okay. Actually, okay. So again, when you're doing this stuff, this is the stuff that you need to think of. So I should have went into CapCut and removed the sound. Yeah. I don't know if I can remove the sound in here. But what I can do is I can do the green screen and just go like this. And then I can point to text, what is this? These aren't normal clouds. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, so let's go to um that's how easy it is. So all I need to do now is add text. So what I'll do is I'll put my cable in. Hopefully it pops up on my computer. And we're back, baby. All right, so okay, so again, I didn't even have to talk. Like, this is how easy it is. So what's something controversial here that will get people in the comments? So what I'll say is, what is these clouds look beautiful. Nature is amazing. These clouds look so beautiful. Nature is amazing. With what's an emoji? Yep, perfect. These clouds look beautiful. These clouds look beautiful. Nature is amazing. And then I'll put a question down the bottom. What clouds are these? We could put a think emoji. What clouds are these? Down here. Okay, we just go next. So boom, next. Yep, perfect. Green screen video. Okay. Actually, we'll get rid of that. Are these not the most beautiful looking clouds you've ever seen before? With love heart eyes. Nature is amazing. Hey? Hashtag chem trails. Hashtag chem trails worldwide. Hashtag chem trails. Okay, chemtrails over the country club. I don't even know what that is. Again, if you're wanting a video to go viral, you're obviously going to put more time into this. This is literally just a quick video to teach you guys what to do. Chemtrails. Chemtrail. Okay. Funny clouds, maybe. Funny clouds, or just maybe clouds. Clouds. Okay, done. So chemtrails worldwide. And then maybe conspiracy theory. Conspiracy theory. And then we'll go to conspiracy TikTok. conspiracy TikTok, done. Now, I'd probably get more views and go viral if I use these keywords in my actual video. I'm not going to do that because I don't really care about this video going viral. It's just literally me showing you how to do a green screen video. So all you do is you go post. And it's done. That's how easy it is. So guys, that's how you do a green screen video. So the one that I did that went viral, I'll quickly show you. So most of my stuff is just me either having a laugh or me just doing my own thing. But there's a video that I was actually teaching a client how to go viral. And I said, look, it's super easy. You just need something that goes, controversial. There's two sides. There's either A or Z. You either eat meat or you're a vegan. So something that with polar opposites. So what I did is I did a video about Leah Thomas, which is, where are we? Got almost 1 million views. Be here somewhere. Here we go. See, question, is this okay? So 842,000 views. Now, funny thing is this video, I actually had to pause twice because I didn't want people to see it because it was literally me just showing a client how to do a green screen video like I'm showing you and how to go viral. And I did it and I went viral. So I had to pause it twice. So I am showing you what works. Please let me know. Please try it. Obviously spend a bit more time on your videos and, doing a bit more research, spend a bit more time editing, you might have to do 2 or 3 takes. I literally just pulled something out of here, made something up and then posted. But that's how you do it, guys. Hope this was helpful. If you want to like the video, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.